Yo guys, what's going on? It's your boy P Double of the TKP. Today we're going to be talking about the TikTok Live Studio. For those that don't know, TikTok Live Studio is a new software that's been released by TikTok. They released it quite a while ago, but they've been slowly rolling it out. Now, it used to be very exclusive, but now pretty much anyone with live access can go live on Live Studio. So the Live Studio software allows you to stream directly from a laptop or desktop PC, and it doesn't require the use of a phone or an iPad. So by combining a decent PC with a decent camera, you can now push your streams out of 4K. Now, searching the internet for information on TikTok Live Studio, you're not going to find much, to be honest with you. In fact, you're not going to find anything. So TikTok literally threw the software at us. They didn't give us much information to go off. Literally, we just kind of learning as we go along. So we're going to give you some tips and tricks on what we learned so far. Hopefully you guys can improve your stream and have some fun. So as I said earlier, most people with TikTok Live also have access to the TikTok Live Studio. However, there are some requirements. So for the 7-day trial access requirements, your access to go live has not been banned in the last 30 days. Your access to go live with Go Live Studio is not banned or revoked. You have a TikTok account that is at least 30 days old. You have at least 1,000 followers, and you've gone live for more than 25 minutes at least one time in the past 180 days. Now, after the 7-day trial period, your access to Go Live Studio should be renewed for 180 days, provided that you tick the following boxes. First one being your access to Go Live Studio has not been revoked during the trial period, and you go live for more than 25 minutes at least 2 times during your trial period. So in a nutshell, in order to get your access for 180 days during your 7-day trial period, go live for more than 25 minutes twice, don't get yourself banned, and then after the 7 days, you'll have your access for 6 months. Okay, so now when you go into TikTok Live Studio, your screen should look something like this. Now TikTok gives you 2 options. They give you landscape scenes or they give you portrait scenes. This is basically to do with the orientation of how you're going to stream. Now, being that I'm streaming on TikTok Live, I want my orientation to be that of a phone. So I'm going to go portrait scenes. And now in the middle there, you can see you've got different sources you can select for your live video. You've got display capture, you can do casting from your phone, you can add an image, or lastly you got camera. Now camera is what we are here for. That's how we're going to really get them 4K streams and have our stream looking extra crispy. Now the camera that I'm going to select is my Logitech Brio. Obviously at the moment you can see it's on my laptop camera, and then you can also change your camera format. So whether you want it at 1080p, you want it at 4K, you also got options to select whether it's 30 FPS or 60 FPS. Now we're going to go for a 1080 stream on this one. Then we're going to go to add source, and you can see my ugly mug there. Give us a wave. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now what we're going to do is just stretch out the screen. So we want to fill the screen by literally going top to bottom, and you're going to drag it exactly where you want it to be. There, be in the center. Hey, look at that face. Look at that face. And that's how you add your camera to your TikTok Live. Now you can also add in different sources to your stream, whether it be, as we said before, display captures, casting, camera. You can add in a second camera as well, but you can also add in images, text, videos, goals, whether it be sub goals or follower goals, leaderboards, alerts, chat box, etc, just to make it more interactive for your chat room. However, for this video we're going to keep it straightforward. We've got our video, now we need our audio. So in order to access your audio settings, you're going to press this little button here that says audio setting. Now once you click that, you're going to get a screen that's going to pop up. You're going to have 2 options, microphones and audio. Now for some reason the audio does not pick up my line in. I do not get a signal no matter what, so I've had to use the microphone input. For whatever reason, that seems to work. If it's different for you, let me know in the comments below. Now you're going to select your device in your microphone. So for me it's USB audio codec, because that's where my signal is coming from. So once we select that, I'm going to press the save button, and then you're going to see that we do have a signal coming through. Now it is all over the place, and we're going to do what we got to do to kind of fine tune that. However, we do now have our audio. So before you go live, I would suggest going into your settings in order to make sure that all the settings are to your specific needs. Now pressing that button, in the first tab that says stream quality, you have video quality, mine is set to 1080p, but you have all the other options as well. Resolution, mine is set at 1920 by 1080. You also have your FPS, so mine's set at 60 FPS, but again you can change that to what you need. And then video bitrate, now that is dependent on your upload speed, but for mine it's going to be 10,000 on the bitrate. Then you've also got audio bitrate. Now with the audio bitrate, I need mine at 256, just because I'm a TikTok DJ, so I need that audio to be extra crispy. Stream latency, I mine off, and then you have your encoder. Okay, so the encoder, I would suggest putting that at NVIDIA H265. But what that's going to do is going to push all the demands through to your GPU rather than your CPU, and generally speaking, your GPU can take a bit more of a hit than your CPU. Okay, now you can also do a test, which is at the top. The test will tell you sort of what TikTok believe is the right settings for your PC. I done that on mine. It pretty much gave me the same that I've got there. So yeah, feel free to do that, and hopefully it gives you the best possible settings. You've also got the record tab, very simple, very straightforward. Your hotkeys and in-game overlay. All in all, I would say the settings on TikTok Live Studio are pretty basic. They're not as advanced as the likes of OBS. However, it's still a very new software, so I'm sure they'll be adding more to it as they go along, but there is enough to get you going. Now, all that's left to do is hit the go live button and boom, let the fun begin. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I've been your boy Pete Double of the TKP. I'll see you again soon.